Hello students, welcome to my channel English Crossroad. From today, we are going to start for class 8 Poorvi textbook. This is a new NCERT textbook. Unit 1 of this textbook is Wit and Wisdom, and the first lesson is The Wit That One Hurts. This story is about one of the India's wisest king. A misunderstanding happened and how clever wit can solve even the most difficult problems. So this we will see in the summary of this lesson. Let's get started. This story takes us back to the glorious Vijayanagara Empire, a powerful and culturally rich kingdom in South India. So this Vijayanagar is in South India. The empire was known for its beautiful art, architecture, literature, and wise rulers. Among these rulers was the great king Krishnadeva Raya. So this story is about Krishnadeva Raya, who is a brave warrior, a poet, and a true patron of learning. What is patron of learning? A person who helps others learn by giving money, resources, or encouragement to promote education and knowledge. So he was such a person. His reign is known as the Golden Era. King Krishnadeva Raya had a group of 8 famous poets in his court, and they were called as Ashtadigajas. The most popular among them was Tenali Rama, lovingly known as Tenali Rama. I think you all are familiar with Tenali Rama, isn't it? He was famous for his sharp wit. Wit means what? The quick ability to say clever and funny things that make people laugh or think. Humor. Humor means the quality of being funny or making people laugh. And intelligence. Intelligence means the ability to learn, understand, and think cleverly and solve problems. So, Tenali Rama was famous for his sharp wit, humor, and intelligence. One day, a small misunderstanding created a big problem. The king had written a poem filled with poetic images like sun, moon, stars, and sky. He proudly tried reciting it to his ministers, but they all avoided him. That means they don't want to listen to his recitation. Later, when he read it to his queen, Tirumalambal, she yawned multiple times. Yawned. What do you mean by yawn? Open your mouth wide and take a deep breath, usually because when we are tired, sleepy, or bored. So she yawned multiple times. Multiple times means many times. Only because she was tired. She was not yawning because the poem was boring, but she yawned because she was very tired. The king felt insulted by this. That is, when he saw the queen is yawning, he felt insulted and became angry. From that day onwards, he stopped talking to the queen. The queen was heartbroken. So, heartbroken means what? Feeling deeply sad. She tried apologizing. Apologizing means saying sorry for something wrong or hurtful you did or for a mistake. So she tried to ask sorry, but the king refused to speak. Refuse means he avoided. He did not speak to her. Finally, she sought the help of Tenali Rama. So, Rani asked help from Tenali Rama. She explained the situation and Rama promised to help with a clever plan. The next morning, Tenali Rama entered the busy courtroom with a plate of paddy seeds. He claimed that these seeds could give 3 times more harvest than usual. That means the harvest will be very good. 3 times more than usually we are getting. Everyone said that this is impossible. How can seeds grow without fertilizer and water? Everyone was surprised. Some laughed and made fun of him, thinking it was a joke. Rama then gave a twist. After this, he gave a twist. He said, the problem is not the seed, but the person who sows it. What if the person yawns while sowing? The seeds would scatter unevenly. That means then it will not be scattering evenly in the same proportion everywhere, but it will be unevenly. The court burst into laughter. Even the king, who had been angry and silent for days, couldn't hold back his laughter. He yawned too. Rama gently reminded everyone that yawning is natural and not a sign of insult. What is the meaning of twist? A sudden change in the story or situation, especially something unexpected. So that was the twist he gave, that if the person who is sowing, if yawning, then the seeds will be scattered unevenly. That was a twist in this. King now he understood, finally realized his mistake because he was also yawning now. He had misunderstood his queen and overreacted. So when she yawned, he was angry. Now he was yawning when Tenali Rama was saying, so he understood his mistake. That evening, he apologized to her and asked laughingly, "Would you like to listen to my poem?" They happily made peace. The palace once again filled with love and laughter. Apologized means to say sorry for something you did wrong. This beautiful story shows us how wit, kindness, and understanding can solve even the biggest problems. Tenali Rama didn't scold anyone. He used humor to make people realize their mistake. That is the power of wit that wins hearts. So, this is a summary of the lesson. If you enjoyed this explanation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more such interesting videos, comment below your favorite part of the story. See you in the next video.